Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very interesting and inspired story. One of our student, Soniya Yadav. So she has done Masters in Environmental Studies from MDU Rohtak, and then she was preparing in classroom program with us for NET-JRF and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. In that series, she qualified NET-JRF as well as GATE Environmental Science and Engineering, and at present, she is pursuing her PhD in Department of Atmospheric Sciences, Central University of Rajasthan, which is one of the very good department in terms of research and academics. So on this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Soniya Yadav for the same. At present, the institute is offering various courses such as NET-JRF Environmental Sciences December 2023 in offline mode at our Delhi center and live online mode from anywhere across the globe, and correspondence with video along with correspondence. Apart from that, GATE 2024 Environmental Science and Engineering and Ecology Evolution is being taught. Other exams such as Haryana Pollution Control Board, Central Pollution Control Board, they are also being offered by the institute. The students who are willing to prepare for M.SC entrances in life sciences and environmental sciences are also most welcome. Very unique program. The students who are interested in pursuing masters and PhD from USA or Europe are also most welcome for the guidance. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given numbers or through our web page. Once again, we would like to congratulate Soniya Yadav for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.